morning or afternoon, I'm not sure what it is at the moment. Welcome to the van. You can see an old set of shelves there on the yard, which we're butchering at the moment to make a set of shelves. So we've just been to B&Q and bought some brackets and deciding how best to use them. So this is where the shelves is going to go. So we've got this big bed space at the back. Oh look, there's me. And we've got this gap that runs along, so it was always our intention to get some cupboards or shelving put in there. So we're going to crack on and do it ourselves today. There's about 10 inches there, so we're going to put the brackets, space them along and have two shelves running almost the length. The bad thing about it is the van slopes in a little bit like this, so but we'll work out that problem when we come to it in terms of stuff falling off. So all too much for you. So first shelf is up, brackets looking good, Amy looking fairly pleased with herself. Tools, screws, screwdriver, chocolate. That's all you need. So we've noticed it's got a bit of a slope, but we'll work that out when we get there, maybe put a little lip on the front. So we'll crack on and make the other shelf now. We'll just finish in the second shelf. And the second thing we do always takes about an hour less than the first time we did it. So I get a cup of tea soon. Look at that, there's a lip on it now. So stuff won't fall out. And Amy's using all 4 limbs to hold this up. Screwing the last few screws in. Is this helping?
Yeah, a lot.
Is that helping? What about this? Here we have the final shelves with the lip. It runs all down the, well, almost to the end of the van. Really happy with that. Only cost us about 4 or 5 quid for the brackets. The wood was free, and maybe about a quid for screws. Happy days.